Claude just changed business forever, and now it's easier than ever to get ahead of 99% of entrepreneurs with AI because most people are still using outdated prompts. I've spent the last few years building multiple software companies, launching products like Maker AI, Freedom Threads, TrueVest, and I can tell you the top 1% of business owners use AI in a completely different way. So I'm going to show you the 6 Claude hacks that you can use to blow up your business even if you're just starting out. Let's get into it. Number 1, upgrade to Claude Pro. Stop being cheap. Seriously, Claude Pro is $20 a month. That's less than a lunch meeting. And for that, you get Opus 4.6, the most powerful AI model, more usage, projects, and advanced features you're going to need for the rest of this video. If your goal is to buy back your time, there's no easier investment. 1 month of Claude Pro will save you more hours than you can count. So just go pro. It's worth it. Now here's the thing. If Claude doesn't respond in a way that sounds like it knows who you are, it's because you haven't properly introduced yourself to it. Let me show you how to fix that. Number 2, build your master prompt. To really blow up your business with Claude, you have to create what's called a master prompt for your role. This means documenting everything about who you are, your business, your revenue, your team, your customers, your products, your projects, everything, so that when you give this to Claude, every response is 100% customized to you. Here's how you create it. Tell Claude to interview you to build a master prompt. You literally say, interview me to create a master prompt as the CEO of my company. Claude will ask you all the right questions. Then I like to use voice mode and just answer the questions out loud. It transcribes everything and builds the master prompt for you. Once it's done, save that output somewhere you can access. I keep mine in a doc and paste it into any new project I start. Here's why this matters. Once Claude has your master prompt, it can draft SOPs on your behalf, analyze your business data, stress test product ideas, suggest hiring decisions, generate strategies aligned with your goals. It basically knows everything it needs to give you actionable, personalized answers. In business, sequencing equals success. If the answers aren't aligned with who you are, Claude can't properly help you. So build your master prompt first. Number 3, create system prompts. This is one of my favorite things to do. If you want to blow up your business with Claude, you need to create system prompts for your departments and tasks. These are not normal chats. These are very detailed, very structured instructions telling Claude exactly what you want it to do. Think of them like a stencil. You create it once, then use it over and over to get consistent, high quality outputs. Here's how you create one. First, get Claude to produce an output you love. For example, I had Claude write a YouTube script that I thought was perfect. The tone was right, the structure was right, it sounded like me. Then I asked Claude, write a detailed system prompt that would have reliably generated that exact output. Claude gave me the instructions. Now I can copy that system prompt, paste it into any new chat, and get that same quality every single time. Here's a pro tip. There are specific phrases that change how Claude responds. Act as sets the expertise. Act as a world-class copywriter. Think step by step. Unlocks deeper reasoning. Use first principles. Makes it break problems down to the fundamentals. Play devil's advocate. Stress test your ideas. Format as tells it exactly how to structure the output. Table, bullets, JSON, whatever you need. If you use these in your prompts, you'll get way better results. Save your best system prompts somewhere. They become your intellectual property. The more you build, the faster your business runs. Number 4, run your business as projects. This is a game changer. To really blow up your business with Claude, use projects to save the context around everything you're working on. I use projects for everything. I have a project for Maker AI with all the product docs, the customer research, the marketing plans. I have a project for Freedom Threads with the content strategies, the viral frameworks, the audience data. I have a project for TrueVest with the trading algorithms, the market research, the user feedback. Every project has its own context. And here's the magic. Inside each project, Claude remembers everything across every conversation. So when I open my Maker AI project and ask a question, Claude already knows the product, the customers, the goals, everything. I don't have to re-explain anything. Here's how to set it up. On the left side of Claude, click Projects, create a new project, give it a name, then upload everything relevant, documents, research, past work, your master prompt. You can even add project instructions that tell Claude how to behave specifically for that project. The key concept here is compounding context. The more context that compounds, the better the responses become. Every chat you have in that project builds on the last one. It's like having an employee who's been with you for years and remembers every conversation. Number 5, set up memory and styles. This is where Claude gets scary good. Claude has a memory feature that remembers things about you permanently, not just in one project. You can tell Claude to remember that you run a software company, that you prefer direct answers, that you hate fluff, that you like bullet points, and it saves this forever. Now, every single conversation starts with Claude already knowing your preferences. Go to settings, find memory, and start adding things. Or just tell Claude in any chat, remember that I prefer short, direct answers, and it'll save it. But here's the real power move: styles. Claude lets you create and save different writing styles. I have a style for YouTube scripts: short, punchy sentences, lots of energy, line breaks after every thought. I have a style for business emails: professional and direct, no fluff. I have a style for social media: casual and engaging. When I'm writing a YouTube script, I select my YouTube style, and Claude writes exactly how I want. When I'm writing an email, I switch to my email style. You can even create a style by uploading examples of writing you love. Tell Claude, analyze this writing and save it as a style. Now you can write like that anytime you want. One click. This is how you productize your voice. Number 6, build tools with artifacts. This is where Claude is way more powerful than ChatGPT. Artifacts let Claude build actual working tools right inside the chat, not just text responses, actual interactive applications, calculators, dashboards, trackers, generators. I asked Claude to build me a tool that calculates how many customers I need at different price points to hit my revenue goal. 30 seconds later, working calculator, sliders, inputs, real-time math. I asked Claude to build a content calendar tool for planning my YouTube videos. Done, interactive, actually useful. Here's the thing. In ChatGPT, you can build custom GPTs, which are basically saved prompts. In Claude, and you can build actual tools that you and your team can use, and you can iterate on them. Make it look better. Add another feature. Change the calculations. Claude updates it in real time. It's like having a developer on demand. I use artifacts constantly to build internal tools for my businesses: ROI calculators, pricing tools, decision frameworks. Things that used to require hiring a developer now take 30 seconds. Start thinking about what tools would help your business and just ask Claude to build them. If you follow these 6 Claude hacks, your business is guaranteed to grow, because Claude isn't just a chatbot, it's your operating system. You use it like mission control to figure out where you're stuck and how to solve those problems. I call it becoming the director. When all the problems you need to solve are no longer problems because Claude can help you solve them, the real skill becomes figuring out what problems to work on, what to build, what to create, what to launch, and that's exactly where most people get stuck. They have Claude, they have the system, they have the tools, but they don't know what to do with it. They don't know what to build that people will actually pay for. That's why I created Maker AI. Maker AI shows you exactly what to build based on real market research. It validates if people actually want it before you waste time building. It gives you the exact prompts to build it with AI, and it creates your complete 30-day marketing plan to get customers once it's live. Idea, validation, build, customers the complete system, because having Claude as your operating system is step one. Knowing what to build with it is where the money is made. If you want to turn your Claude skills into actual income, go to getmakerai.com. Link in the description. Here's the one thing I need you to do today. Go create your master prompt. Start with that. Get Claude knowing who you are, and then ask yourself, what am I going to build? I'll see you in the next one.